what I found at Target. Anybody else get their clothes after they come to Target?
These are Buster's present. Why is it shaky? Look, look over. Look, mommy, are you down?
Come here.
Look, there's a presents. Ouch. Look,
Say happy birthday, Joshua.
happy birthday, Joshua.
Hey, I love you, Joshua.
I love your mom.
Give Josh hugs. Oh my goodness, my heart melts. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Joshua. Hello?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Give Joshua the presents and be like, Joshua, open this one. I'm sorry. Holy cow, what you got, baby?
This one's heavy.
It's because it's a rock.
We got you rock.
Wait,
It's the most expensive rock there.
okay. Wait, I want to use it whenever I play games. I feel like this is close.
I think you're gonna really like that one.
A blanket?
Wait till you see what kind of blanket.
FORTNITE!
And it's the dances that you're always doing.
Is it bigger than my Kiki?
Yeah, it is.
Yay! My blanket's getting, like it's smaller.
Do you have, put these things right here. I think you're gonna like that. Jordan's crying because of the gift. But I got him yesterday a gift. It's holding him.
It's okay. What kind of shoe? I like these, Mommy.
I hope you do, baby. We have to try them on. They might be a little bit too big, and if they are, we can go return them.
Okay.
And there's one more right there.
Oh, this one's cute. I don't know.
No, there's one right there underneath the Roblox.
Oh, that blends in. Captain Underpants. This is a book?
Mm-hmm.
This is like just from the library.
They're so cute, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay, I'm gonna help you with put this one on the floor, okay?
Give it to Joshua.
It's the sheriff. Thank you.
No. Baby,
It's a box!
can you help him open?
It's a box!
Can you help him?
Doing the box!
Oh.
Can you
there's
help
stuff
him?
inside,
It's heavy.
yeah.
Can you help him get it out?
A pillow fort!
My love, can you help him get it out because it's heavy?
Pillow fort!
No, you don't. Jordan. Jordan.
My gosh! What's this?
Josh, are you ready for this?
It says pillow fort. Take it out.
Okay.
You ready for this, Josh? It's your gaming chair.
Yay!
Sit down.
And the robot. Yeah.
You can go up, back and forth.
That's right.
Go down? Oh.
Can I open the remote?
Yeah.
All yours. All your gifts.
Rocking back and forth.
I opened. Oh.
Rock back and forth.
What happened? It's the box. The chair's in the box.
My baby.
It's open all the triggers. Open. No.
Baby.
You will forever hear me
baby,
complain
baby
about this
shark,
one taking
doo,
forever.
doo,
He pulled
doo,
it again, guys.
Shark, doo, 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 doo.
Yeah, Jordan just ate this whole plate of salad. He would rather eat that than his grilled cheese and his mandarin. You like your salad? You like him?
Daddy, give it me.
Yeah, it's delicious. Don't use a fork. Use a fork, silly boy. Only because it's his birthday. We brought him to his favorite place. Say hi.
Your favorite place.
What did you say?
That I honestly thought people ate salads to be healthy until I met Jordan. He
Yeah.
simply just eats it
Because he loves
because
it.
he enjoys it.
Anytime I'll get them, he'll eat them. Did you just, I saw that. I think he just found his name was salad sauce. You guys saw that, right? He put ketchup on his salad.
Okay. Ready, Joshua, right? Yes. Joshua. 1, 2, 3.
You think you're gonna get one? Almost. You gonna try it again? It's unlimited.
Oh my god.
Are you good? Here you go. Hold the big one. Let's show Jordan what I got. Jordan, look what I got you.
Actually, one egg.
Yeah, two.
Easy.
Kind of.
Big.
This is so cute.
I want more.
Come on, this is Joshua's. Look, guys, look what they did. I feel so bad because the floor is dirty. Jordan. Good morning, my friends. Today, I am so excruciatingly sick. I was up all night with a really high fever, and the fever finally broke around like 2 in the morning. So when your fever breaks, you just have the chills and you're just constantly sweating. So I took a shower. I was up all night. I don't have a fever right now, but I do not feel good. I have to get some work done. For my parents. I have to get school work done as well, because I'm a little bit behind because of how sick I've been. Everything in my face, my body, my brain, my mind, everything hurts. So I'm just gonna get this work done to see if I can put myself together a little bit, because I've been feeling like this for the past 2 days. I might go to the doctor, I'm not sure. And I want to go get a coffee because I have zero energy.